Hello, everybody. We have another wonderful, helpful, quote unquote, helpful article. These are a joke from the Financial Post here in Canada. FP answers, where's the best value in Canada for real estate? We all know interest is going up, so people are getting killed off. So the only thing they do is you want to find real estate under 300 grand. So they're probably going to send you off to the worst parts of some town. But this one is into Saginaw, Quebec. I mean, seriously. All right, let's take a look at, because now I'm generating ETFs specifically to certain markets. Well, let me show you here. This is what I've got here since March this year. Things look good, pretty good. That's the blue. That's the strategy of the 3 ETFs that were recommended to go with. Okay, so real estate with a Sharpe ratio of 3, and the S&P, the benchmark, S&P 500, just as usual in the hole. So you may think real estate's the best place to go. I'll tell you that, sure. Yeah, real estate's awesome. Yeah, you do it. Here's the truth. These performers right here are 3 of the only ETFs making money, and they're either a bear ETF or a short ETF. Okay, so what does that say? Real estate is in trouble. And if you're trying to buy real estate and thinking real estate's going to carry you, think again. Any person that watches or buys any real estate consumption stuff should really go see get their head checked, because when you see shorting ETFs starting to perform, it just tells you the overall forward guidance of the real estate market, specifically for the U.S. and I'd say globally as well. As interest rates goes up, less interest in real estate to profit from. To short, yeah, that's great. So have fun, have at it. So we're now at that point where we can do these. So if you want to learn more, we have a couple of places to go. Go to quantlabs.net, portfolio. Okay, and you can get your portfolio evaluated. We've got another offering page for contacts, but you just fill in your info. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. As it stands right now, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.